Architectural brick wall application. 1 to 20 architectural plan. 1 to 20 architectural section. Slaps are poured. Floor is moistened. First layer of mortar is put. Wall construction is started. Grouting mortar. First row is completed. Top is mortared. Second row is laid by sliding half brick. Wall construction is continued. Lintels are used. Wall construction is completed. Channels are opened. Electric lines are applied. Installations are fixed and protected. Channels are opened. Mechanical piping is done. Installations are fixed and protected. Ceiling is wetted and Tyroleaned. Ceiling is plastered. Wall is moistened. Wall is Tyroleaned. Guides are made. Plasters are completed. Leveling screed is poured. Gypsum finish plaster is applied. Primer is applied. First coat of paint is applied. Parquet adhesive is applied. Parquet is adhered. Door frame is placed. Door leaf is attached. Door is fixed. Jambs are fixed. Skirtings are mounted. Second coat of paint is applied. Handle is installed. Mechanical and electrical fixtures are installed.